Hi guys, welcome back to Valerine's Home and Garden. Now in this video I am working on something for a client. She found a lovely piece of fabric here and she wants to use it to make a shawl, and so she has asked me just to flat stitch off the ends of the remnant of fabric, but the ends are not square, so I'll have to square the ends, and I'll show you exactly what I do in order to get the ends to be square. And so what I'll do is just put a little notch at the edge here, and then I'll get a piece of yarn out and then start pulling. Now this should take me across the fabric. Oh no, it's not taking me across the fabric, so I'll try another piece. Oh, nope. So the yarn keeps breaking. They're very fragile, plus they don't, it seems like the yarn doesn't go straight across. So what I'll do is just put the ends together here. I'm working in a tight space because I'm just at my desk. I'm not in the studio. I have folded the fabric in half, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple of pins in here to keep it together. And then I'm going to have to resort to using my square. So I'll just put my square at the edge here. And then I'll just put a line across here. Then use my yardstick to follow the line. So when I cut through this line, both sides should be square. I'm gonna go ahead and stitch off this end before I go to the next end. Okay, so we don't need a deep hem. So what I'll do is just turn about 1/4 inch. One turn, make sure the turn is lined up at the edge here. And then I'll turn again. And then just put a pin in and get it started. And I'll turn as I go, because a 1/4 inch hem is not hard to turn without pinning all the way. There we go. So it is basically a 1/4 inch double hem that I have made. But to square off the other end, what I'll do is just put the end that I have stitched together, put a pin in, and then I'll just work my way down. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the other side. I'm going to use my square to draw the line. There we go. We finish our 1/4 inch double hems. It's done, and we have a shawl. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. If you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscription button and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.